In this video, we will deal with unclear instructions and good answers. Rosalinda counts stock at a hardware store in Dipolog. Her count sheet says, "Count the shelf first." One word is smudged. She cannot read it. Should she start counting or ask first? Sometimes the problem is not reading too slowly. Sometimes the problem is that the written instruction itself is incomplete or unclear. Good workers know when to stop, check, and ask before they continue. By the end of this video, you can judge when an instruction is unclear. You can ask a clear question and give a good answer back. That skill protects your work. Before you start a written task, run 3 checks. Complete. Is any step or detail missing? Clear. Can you read and understand every word and number? Make sense. Does the order work from start to finish? These 3 checks take only a few seconds, but they can prevent hours of mistakes. If any answer is no, that is your signal to ask. Look at Rosalinda's sheet. Which of this check fails? Clear fails. One word cannot be read. Without that word, she doesn't know which shelf to count first. A common trap is filling the gap yourself by guessing the word. If your reading is rusty, guessing feels safe. It is not. A wrong guess means counting the wrong shelf all morning. Stopping to ask is much faster than repeating the whole job because you started with the wrong instruction. A weak question is vague. I don't get this. A strong question names the exact spot. Line 1 has a smudged word. Which shelf do I count first? Now the supervisor knows exactly what needs to be explained. Rosalinda asks, the supervisor answers, and the count starts right. Questions go both ways. A coworker asks Rosalinda, "Where does the total go?" She looks at the sheet, points to the total column, and answers kindly. To answer a question at work, find the source, match the exact question, and answer politely. Don't answer from memory if the written instruction is available. Point to the correct place on the form or sheet whenever you can. Now it's your turn. Your instruction says add floor cleaner to water. No amount is written anywhere. Should you ask or start? Ask. The amount is a detail you need to do the task. Without that detail, you cannot complete the job correctly or safely. Let's review. Run the 3 checks. Complete, clear, make sense. If a written instruction is missing or unclear on a detail you need, ask the person who gave it before you start. Never guess. Asking first keeps the work safe and correct.